All-Star, but not named to the All-Star game this year. The Nuggets have made their last 7 shots. Jokic right by Quinn, and the backhand layup is good.
Inside, stop blocking out.
Knicks have 52 points, and we have 6.5 minutes to go as Jokic working inside with the left hand.
And just pushed him out of the way too easy.
57-49, Jokic in the lane, right back at you, Billy.
See, not as powerful. Get the foul.
Jameer Nelson looking for an outlet. He's got Jokic, and this is what Jokic does. He's the best player in the league at making shots between 5 and 9 feet. Jameer picks up the double team for a moment. Jokic again. Yes, and a foul.
Yeah, he knew it right there. He just tried to slip in from behind as Courtney Lee. It kind of hits him on the hips.
Now Jokic shoots over the top and nails it. Well, Porzingis didn't get out. Now into Jokic. Around him and puts it up and in. So Nikola Jokic continues to sizzle. He's got 19 points. Now Jokic coming in. He's looking for the pass though. Getting a little dig there. Jokic into the lane. That's good. So Jokic is tearing up Kristaps Porzingis. Knicks big men. 23 points for Jokic. Jokic going to try a 3. That's good! And the Madison Square Garden fans are shocked.
Topher and Bob in the fellas.
Barton stuck, give it to one show. Extra pass, Jokic lays it in. The Denver Nuggets front court. Give to Barton. Out to Jokic. Would he shoot another 3? You betcha, that's good! Nikola Jokic is on fire! Durrell dump it into Jokic. Going on Porzingis, around him, lay it up and in. And Nikola Jokic has tied his career high with 35 points in 30 minutes. Now, Nuggets will run it. Jameer Nelson with Nikola. Take another jump shot. That's good. So a new career high for Nikola Jokic. It's 38 points, 9 rebounds, 5 assists. Jokic in the lane. He's got it! His first 40-point game of his young career. Nikola Jokic.